this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Facebook Messenger from light mode to dark mode. Now, as you can see, I have here my Facebook account, and the Facebook account is in dark mode. However, if I go to Messenger, now you see the Messenger is not in dark mode, but rather in light mode. To make this the same, or to switch this to dark mode, it is simple. Just go to menu here, and then under menu, tap on settings, and then scroll down until you see under profile we have dark mode. Go ahead and tap on it, and then go ahead and choose whether you want to turn on dark mode, and the choice is this. If I tap on it, now you see my Facebook Messenger is in dark mode. So that's how you switch your Facebook Messenger to dark mode. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.